Ako po si Camille Villar, and as the only millennial candidate and a member of the Filipino youth, I strongly believe na I can contribute towards new politics in our country. My values are rooted in the principles of sipag at tiyaga, o kaya hard work and perseverance, na natutunan ko mula sa aking mga magulang. Combined with my decades of experience in business and 2 terms in public service as a representative of the Lone District of Las Piñas City and as a deputy speaker of the House of Representatives, I believe I can offer fresh perspectives and innovative solutions to help build a brighter future for our generation and those to come.
In your introduction, you said that you're offering new politics. How can you do that when you're already the fourth from your family to run for the Senate? There are critics who are saying that you've made the Senate a family affair. And also, second question na rin, how would you respond to allegations of nepotism?
Actually, I think that is a very good question. I think what's very important here is that, to remember here is that we were all elected officials. My father, my mother, and my brother. And nagpapasalamat po kami sa ng taus-puso sa ating mga kababayan sa patuloy nilang pagsuporta at pagbibigay ng tiwala sa aming pamilya Villar. Talagang ang gusto lang po namin ay makatulong sa nakakarami. Bata pa po ako, palagi na pong sinishare sa akin ng aking mga magulang ang mga pangarap nila, hindi lang para sa aming buhay. Kasi ang papa ko po, inangat niya po ang pamilya niya sa kahirapan sa pamamagitan ng pangarap at sipag at tiyaga. At bata pa lang ako, palagi niyang itinuturo sa amin yun, na kailangan mangarap tayo, hindi lang tayo, pati na rin yung ating mga kababayan, na isang araw magkakaroon tayong lahat ng isang magandang tirahan, isang magandang buhay, at lahat ng mga pangarap ng mga magulang para sa kanilang anak na makapag-aral, magkaroon ng makapagpunta sa doktor, kapag kailangan nila, magkaroon ng magandang bahay, magandang buhay, dapat mangarap tayo at magsipag tayo at magtiyaga tayo para makuha natin yan. And we need to help others. So that is what my parents have always taught me. And I believe now that is what I want to continue. I believe that kung hindi naman po nakikita yung trabaho, yung dedikasyon, ay iba naman po yung resulta. Pero nagpapasalamat po ako sa walang sawang suporta na ibinibigay po sa atin ng ating mga kababayan. At ni minsan, ay ayoko pong disappoint sila. Ayoko po silang biguin. Talagang all I really want to do is share blessings, share my dreams, and work as hard as I can so that my countrymen will also be able to achieve their dreams.
Kanina po, you were already on the other side of the room when some of the Makabayan candidates were speaking and they were criticizing your mom, si Senator Cynthia, for her supposed failures daw in addressing the needs of the sector as agriculture chairperson in the Senate. I would just like to get your reaction, ma'am.
I believe that everyone po is entitled to their own opinions. But I also know that my mother, Senator Cynthia Villar, is very passionate about the agricultural sector. And her real aim and motivation is to truly help our farmers have their own land and help them improve their lives. And to the best of her ability, she has done that. But yun nga, syempre, rinirespeto naman po natin ang opinyon ng lahat. May karapatan naman po sila para i-express yun. Pero talaga namang from the heart at ang pagsilbi ng aking ina na si Senator Cynthia Villar. And I think in time, if you are committed to a cause and if you work hard for a cause, lumalabas at labas naman ang resulta at nakikita natin yan. So I guess we'll just wait for the results.